Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to discuss comparison operators in JavaScript. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial in which I had discussed what are operators and we had studied arithmetic operators, please check it out for a solid foundation. So let's get started. So what are comparison operators? Well, comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean value, true or false. These are essential for making decisions in your code. Here are some common comparison operators. Equal to, strictly equal to, not equal to, strictly not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's discuss them one by one. The equal to operator checks if the values of two operands are equal. It does not compare the data types. For example, console.log 5 equals to string 5. Well, you can also write this expression in a variable, but I would like to write one-liner. Let's check the results. So it returns true because it only checks the value and not data types. Strictly equal to operator. This operator checks if the values and the data types of two operands are equal. I will copy this and paste it right there. Just add one more equal sign. Let's check the results. So it returned false because the data types are different, number and string. Not equal to operator. This operator checks if the values of two operands are not equal. It does not compare the data types. Console.log 7 not equal to string of 7. Let's check the output. So it returns false because the values are the same, even though the types are different. Strictly not equal to operator. This operator checks if the values and the data types of two operands are not equal. I will copy this and paste it. Just add one more equal to sign. Now this will return true because the types are different, number and string. Greater than operator. This operator checks if the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. Console.log 10 greater than 7. So basically it will return true because 10 is greater than 7. Less than operator. This operator checks if the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. Console.log 3 less than 5. It will return true because 3 is always less than 5. Greater than or equal to operator. This operator checks if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. Console.log 6 greater than or equal to 6. So it returns true because 6 is not greater than 6, but it is equal to 6. At least one condition should be true. Less than or equal to operator. This operator checks if the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. Console.log 4 is less than or equal to 4. So it will simply return true because one condition becomes true, that is 4 equals to 4. And that's a wrap up on our tutorial on comparison operators in JavaScript. In summary, comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean value, true or false. And in the next video, we'll be discussing logical operators, so stick around with us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.